welcome to Periodic Castle with Jumpy Juveria.
Wow, this is a new series from the world of science. And you know what? Everything in nature, from mountains to the ocean. Can you breathe? Louder, louder. Even the air that we take in and the food that we eat are made up of simple things called elements. What are they called?
Elements.
And elements are all around us. Can you think of what does mummy wear in her ears?
Gold.
Gold. Okay. And some people have tooth that is made up of silver. Okay. And what do you breathe in?
Oxygen.
All right, oxygen. And when you have fever, Softy, what do you have in your mouth? What do you put to check your temperature?
It's thermometer.
And you know what is inside thermometer?
No.
Mercury. Yes.
What is mercury?
All of these are elements. And that's exactly what a periodic table is. There are 118 elements in the periodic table. All right. Yes. So what are you talking about? So the periodic table, they are unique, surprising, and hold on. We are going to do a periodic table story. But first, let me give you a small introduction. Think of this periodic table like a castle. And how do you build a castle? What do you need to make a house? Bricks. So think of each element like a brick. So you brick by brick, you make it. Yes?
First is hydrogen,
and
helium.
Then, okay. And we will have formulas to learn the entire. So if you look at the brick, each brick makes up one row. And these rows have special qualities in them. And as we discuss, we will learn about each element. Some will be metals, some will be non-metals, some will be special ones like, you know that lady who got Nobel Prize?
Marie Curie.
Yes, and what did she discover?
She made radium and polonium. Because it was called radium because it radiates light and she was from Poland.
Wow, wonderful. And you know what the grand old grandfather of periodic table?
Dmitri Mendeleev.
Okay, yes, Dmitri Mendeleev. And if you know the name, Mendeleev is a Russian man. Sophia, Softy, we went to Russia for football. Yeah. So now again we'll go to Russia to dig the elements.
We didn't go to Russia.
We went in the videos, of course. We didn't go really, but make sure we'll go next World Cup. But then what happened was Mendeleev did not put all the elements, but one important thing he did is his perfect arrangement. So people came in and they start putting things around. Let's understand what an element will look like. Let's say the first one, example, if there is a number on top, that number is called the atomic number. In an atom is a special thing. And one of the episodes, I'll take you inside an atom, right? Think of an element like a ball.
And the atom is the smallest.
Yes. An element. Atoms are so small, Softy, so small that you need the most powerful microscopes to see them. Wow, so Zingy and Jumpy. It's like an atom is an amazing thing. Everything in the world is made of atoms. Everything.
Small.
Even the world?
The world, we, water, your teeth, your nose, your hair, your laptop, your mobile phone.
But how it is divided?
It is all atoms combined and then they make big things. Wow, isn't it amazing? Chemistry is the most amazing field of study. You can be a chemist if you want to, like Mendeleev. So this is how we do periodic table, and as we grow, our periodic table will build up. Are you ready with me to learn?
Yes.
Yes?
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
That periodic table is like they have put the numbers and the letters in a cardboard and put all something like.
Okay, now what you see is a periodic table chart. But when Mendeleev did it, he put it on a paper and he started plotting it. It's like a graph. And I kept thinking, think of the periodic table like a house. So there are two. No, remember our topic is called periodic castle. Castle have towers. So the side have two towers. The first tower starts with hydrogen. Okay, and I'll tell you what this group is called. And the last one, which is the helium, is called the noble gas tower. And in the middle is where the kings and the queens will stay. Yes, and we'll find out where the princes are and the prince is. Mendeleev was so special that even after many, many years, he was proven right about what periodic table is. Oh, we have to do lots of study when you talk of periodic table, but this is just the castle starting for all of you. And keep learning your chemistry from us. We'll teach you everything you need to know about the.
Periodic table.
Thank you and good night.